Salutations, this is Godot with Yaboe. I'm Yaboe, and today we're going to be adding a texture to a stupid cube. Go ahead and add a new mesh instance 3D, go up to empty, make it a box mesh. There's your stupid cube. Now you might be tempted to just drag your texture right onto the cube, but that will limit your full potential. So in order to fix this stupid thing, go to geometry and press this rewind arrow thing. Great. Now click on the stupid cube up here. By material, click on empty and create a new standard material 3D. Click on the stupid sphere, go to albedo, and then drag your texture to empty. Great. This is going fantastic. Now let's actually change the tiling. Go down here to UV1 and then you can change the scale. Amazing. This is exactly what we wanted. You can also change the offset by doing this. Fantastic. Now, if we zoom in, you can see that my face is kind of blurry. What if I want it to be more pixelated like those old retro games? Well, go to sampling, and then instead of linear mipmap, change it to nearest. Great. This has been Godot with Yaboe, and Yaboe is signing out.